Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Laila Fajrin. In this video I would like to share about a brief explanation about the pie charts which show information about energy production in a country in two separate years. Okay. In the pictures we can see that the years that will be the subject of data discussion on this occasion have a difference of 10 years. To be precise, the energy production data for 96 and 2005. From these two data, there is an increase and decrease in production in each type of energy. Energy production, which is the instrument for forming this data, is divided into 5 categories, namely coal, gas, petroleum, nuclear, and others. We can group these 5 categories into 2 groups, namely non-renewable energy, there is coal, gas, and oil, and renewable energy, there is nuclear and others. Okay, in the 90s, 5 non-renewable energy production had an almost equal percentage of production, which is having a percentage above 29%. In detail, core energy is produced by 29.8%, gas by 29.63%, and oil by 29.27% of the total energy production. If calculated, the total percentage of non-renewable energy production is 88.7%. In addition, in 2005, the use of non-renewable energy tended to decrease, although there was a slight increase in some sectors. The percentage of energy production for coal and gas has increased moderately, 30.93% and 30.31% respectively, while gasoline exploitation has decreased to only 19.45% from all sources. Total non-renewable energy production in 2005 was 80.79%. With regard to remaining methods of production energy, which is renewable energy, there was an approximate 5% growth in production from both nuclear power and other sources, from 165 to 2005. From the explanation of the data, it can be concluded that energy production is in 1995 to 2005 was still dominated by non-renewable energy. As we know that production will always be dialectically proportional to use and demand, so this data can be the same time show how much society is dependent on non-renewable energy sources. Even so, despite remaining less popular in both years, renewable energy production has increased in the span of 10 years. The percentage increase was 7.9%. The increase of renewable energy production in the past 10 years provides hope for the coming years, so that people can slowly switch to renewable energy and reduce the use of coal, natural gas, and petroleum energy. Okay, that's all my explanation about brief explanation about the pie charts, which shows information about energy production. Okay, I think it's enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.